In this tutorial, I'll show you how to place a logo on a t-shirt in Photoshop. First, duplicate the t-shirt layer. Then go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, set the radius to around 8 pixels and click OK. Now save this file by pressing Ctrl+S, change the file name, and press Enter. After saving, delete the blurred layer. Next, go to File, select Place Embedded, choose the logo, open it, and press Ctrl+T to resize and reposition the logo on the t-shirt. Once it's in place, change the blending mode to multiply. Now go to Filter, Distort, and choose Displace. Set both the horizontal and vertical scale to 15, click OK, and select the file you saved earlier. After that, open Blending Options, hold the Alt key, and drag the slider to the left to blend the logo naturally with the fabric. Finally, click OK. That's it. Now you know how to place a logo or design on a t-shirt mockup in Photoshop.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.